Hi guys, so today's video is going to be a get ready with me to go grocery shopping. I'm just going to be getting ready because I really wanted to do a full face today and I'm gonna go Asian grocery shopping in a few, so I thought I'd get ready and look cute. Also, I literally feel like a grandma in these, but that's okay. I don't actually have glasses. I just bought these because I thought they were gonna look cute, but they make me look really old, so I'm just going to be chit-chatting and ranting because I feel like I need to be more personal on this channel. I don't really talk about just me. I need to be more open to you guys so y'all know more about me because I'm a really cool and interesting person. Also, my skin looks bad because I just started my period and I literally just ate like a huge bowl of spicy ramen and I cannot handle it. My skin can't handle it either, so I'm breaking out and I look gross, but we're just gonna let's begin. I look bald and my face is like so big and like. Also, if you hear like background noises, that's my sister. She's singing, but it sounds like she's screaming and dying at the same time, so we're just gonna ignore that, okay? First, I'm going to put some lip balm on because we don't want those dry, crusty lips. Like, honestly, how can you live your life with crusty lips? Like, that is just disappointing and sad and gross. And then I'm just going to prep my face with my Fix Plus. I'm not going to talk too much about the makeup because I feel like I do that in every single chit chat get with me. I'm going to talk more about just kind of like personal stories and just stuff like that because I find watching those get ready with me is more interesting. People at school make fun of me for doing like a weird face when I spray mist on my face, and now I can kind of see it. I've had my IKEA drawers for such a long time now and I have no idea how to organize them. So if you guys have like any way to organize these IKEA drawers, so like the ones that like literally every single beauty guru has, but I have like no idea how to organize my makeup in there because it's literally just a drawer. So like I'm really confused and I need help. Please comment down below. We're just gonna ignore them. If it bothers you, don't watch this video. I'm kind of more into a more dewy face look now rather than matte because I've been literally wearing matte makeup for like my whole entire life. I feel like I need to change it up and follow the newest trends. Now I need to do my eyebrows, but I'm not going to do them on camera because I've just been having really bad luck with doing my eyebrows on camera. They've always been turning out really gross and disgusting, so I need to do them not on camera so I can focus. Okay, y'all, it's not the camera's fault. My eyebrows are just being like really weird and they are not turning out well. Like they look so uneven and gross, but like I can't do anything about it, so let's just use concealer and try to fix them. I'm gonna cry. Why is this wet? My like concealer is wet. That's like really strange. Okay, anyway, but like so many like bad and cursed things have happened to me this year that I just hate it so much and I am not ready for high school. Honestly, I just want to go back to preschool and just stay in preschool forever. Go back to preschool. I'm just gonna conceal my eyebrows. I hate that. I hate that. It's like, I'm sorry to anyone who like is getting annoyed by that. I am too. Also, y'all, my channel has been dying. Like, I literally do not have anything to film. I don't know what to do with this channel anymore. Like, I'm basically just failing. I'm failing life also. Y'all really need to tell me what type of videos you want to film. Oh my god, I just messed that up. Okay, I'm gonna quit YouTube. Y'all, I really am a failure. My makeup is already turning into trash. This video is probably trash. But when I go grocery shopping, I'm gonna go get boba. So everything will be alright, y'all. I didn't actually get any bubble tea. Basically, everything is not gonna be alright, and I am lying to myself. Also, yes, I know I look like this. I have to deal with this every day. I don't know why I was born like this, you know? I'm going insane. Like, I honestly do not understand those people that do not like bubble tea. Bubble tea is the best thing that has ever been created. If you don't like it, then you've never experienced what happiness is, because every time I take a sip out of my big fat boba straw and then the boba enters my mouth, I basically am in heaven. Okay, that's good enough. Whatever, I give up. I'm gonna fix my eyebrow because that is disgusting, so there we go. They look decent. Okay, they look bad, but we're not gonna talk about that. We're gonna keep that a secret and pretend like we did not see that just happened. Now I'm going to set my eyelids with powder because I don't know, I'm not even doing eyeshadow. Why am I doing that? I just like to do that. But like I literally don't know what to talk about last night in the shower. Like, I had so much stuff planned that I was gonna talk about. Like that's when my best thoughts come in. I literally try to do Albert Einstein.
I'm a little confused on how I think good and interesting thoughts in the shower relate to Albert Einstein. What? Y'all, I'm really going through it. I'm going through it.
I get out of the shower and I literally forget everything. And then everything goes down the drain. I get it. Because you're in the shower.
I don't get it.
Sometimes I really wonder why I'm like this.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, don't my eyelids look so soft. I don't want to do eyeshadow because... Stop! Oh wait, I need to play 8 ball.
Anyway, what was I saying?
Every day, I feel like I lose at least 10 brain cells.
It's actually not true because I don't have any brain cells.
I'm gonna put on lashes now. Guys, okay, I found these Sephora collection Lily lashes at Marshall's for $7.99. Are y'all seeing that? Oh my goodness, that is literally like the best deal ever because I think these are literally like $30 at Sephora. So I basically saved like 30 minutes set. I basically saved like 22 bucks. Yeah, I basically saved like 22 bucks. So I bought 2 pairs. These are in the style Miami and they're literally so gorgeous. Shout out to Josie Cat for telling me I love you. They're so soft and beautiful. But I've also bought these Morphe eyelashes. I don't know which ones I should wear. Oh my goodness. I just like burped. For all my Instagram followers, I feel like I should do a live on Instagram sometime because I've never done one before and I want to talk to you guys and communicate with you guys and just have fun with you guys. But I'm literally so scared because I feel like no one will join it and then I like won't know what to talk about or something really bad will happen during the live. Tell me if I should. And also if you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me, Emily XI. Anyway, okay, I feel like I'm gonna wear the Lily lashes. What the? I have to curl my lashes. Okay. Okay, y'all, do I have a story for you guys? Actually, it's not a story, it's just me being stupid. Basically, you know how like when you put earrings on, there's like a little plastic circle thingy and then you're like not supposed to put that on the back of your ear. I basically put that on the back of my earring and I didn't know you're not supposed to put it on. So it was just chilling there. My ears were doing fine. Like they were still a little swollen after they got pierced and everything, but like I disinfected them and I cleaned them like every single day, morning and night. So they were like doing pretty well. Oh my goodness, I hate myself. All of a sudden they started getting like really purple and swollen, so I was like freaking out and stuff. And then I just thought it would be a good idea to push my earring and the back closer to each other. I don't know why I thought that would help. I'm so stupid just thinking about it now. So I would literally do that like every 5 seconds. And one day I woke up and there was like a huge blood stain on my pillow. There was like huge chunks of blood behind my ears. I started freaking out. I thought my ears got infected or something like that, but no, in reality the back of my earring, that part, it like cut into my ear, so it made like a huge hole and it was bleeding and I didn't realize because I'm literally the stupidest person ever. That's my story.
Thanks for coming to my TED Talk.
Oh, what the I look so creepy. What the heck? I do not think I should wear these out in public. Damn, Emily, you finally made one right decision in your life. It's kind of embarrassing. It looks like I don't have eyes. Oh, y'all. Okay, I'm not gonna wear these. Okay, well, they don't look as bad as the other ones, but I think I put them on wrong. Like, this eye looks really awkward, but I'm kind of annoyed, so I'm not gonna fix it. Oh my god. It looks bad, but we're not gonna talk about that. Now I'm just going to curl them and apply mascara. Okay, these lashes like hurt so bad. I literally cannot breathe. What did I just say? I can't breathe.
I literally cannot see.
You're so stupid. How do I curl these things? They're literally like monsters. I'm gonna do my face makeup. I think I'm gonna use, okay, I think I'm gonna mix my Maybelline Fit Me and my Urban Decay All Nighter one because this is way too light for my skin. Got the wrong shade, so I need to mix it with something. This is a really nice foundation though. Pump with that. And then I'm going to add some of this. Oh, that's way too much. That is like way too light. Okay, you know what? If that's too light, it's gonna be too light. I don't care. I'm sorry for y'all who are still watching this video. You guys are the true homies. I look great. Sister! Now I'm gonna contour my face. I'm gonna use my NYX Wonder Stick. I don't like this at all. It literally sucks, but whatever. Yikes. Okay, I'm gonna add some concealer. This is literally my favorite concealer right now. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer. I know L'Oreal is not cruelty free. I'm really sorry about that. Ha ha ha. I'm gonna draw a heart. That's all my love and affection for you. I've been filming for such a long time. My family's gonna kill me because we need to go Asian grocery shopping because we have nothing in our fridge and I need to eat food and I need boba. So I need to hurry up and blend this stuff. A lot of you guys ask me for like advice for like middle school or like boys, and honestly I advise you don't do that because I literally am the most unexperienced person when it comes to dating. Like I have no experience. I don't think it's like smart to date in middle school because you're literally 12 or whatever. I feel like my motto is if you want to date, wait until you can actually drive, because then you don't have to force your parent to drive you. Like,
oh mom, I'm gonna go see my middle school boyfriend, drive me to their house, or like drive me to the movie theater.
Like why not just drive yourself so that you don't have to make your parents drive you? That's just kind of like my guidelines and stuff. Focus on finding like true friends. Focus on being a good person, you know? That's life advice with Emily. Now I'm going to set my contour with some more contour. Ha, funny, right? I'm just using my e.l.f. palette. I've had this for like forever. Why does that look so weird? Now I'm going to bake my face. If y'all know any like good baking powders, if y'all know any good powders for baking, please leave them down below. I need to buy a new one because I kind of hate this one a lot. I find watching people bake so satisfying. My sister is in the oven. My eyes feel itchy, so I'm gonna wipe this away. There we go. I'm gonna add some blush. I'm using my NARS one and Deep Throat. I look like a clown. Okay, now we're going to add some bottom eyelash mascara so that my eyes don't look creepy. I feel like I'm gonna hate myself when I edit this video because it's gonna be like all over the place.
I'm going crazy. This has to be the worst video I've ever edited in my whole entire life.
I need to add some water onto my face because everything is so dry. I totally forgot that the Urban Decay foundation was super drying and super matte. Now I'm going to add some highlighter to my face. I'm gonna first try my Ciate Dewy Sticks. I've never tried it before. So pretty. I'm just gonna like add some. Ooh, that is so pretty. It's so easy to blend. For highlight today, I'm going to use my Morphe brush. I think I'm gonna use Champagne Pop, and then I'm going to spray the brush. I love this brush. This highlight is amazing, wow. Okay, for my lips, I think I'm just going to apply this on my lips. Then I just blend it out with my finger. She cute. Put my hair down. That was the end of this video. I really hoped you guys liked getting ready with me. Now I need to change and go to the grocery store. Perhaps she snapped. Perhaps. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love each and every one of you so much. If you like my content, make sure you subscribe so you never miss a new video, and follow me on all my social medias if you want to kind of just see more of me. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Adios.